Hey guys, it's Rescuer, and today's a different type of video. Here's how to leave a link in the description below.
No.
So, first you would like to choose what video you would do, and this is really quick also. But then, and also this is foreign online stuff. So this is this. So I'm going to be leaving a cubicle link. So I'm gonna press cubicle. Then I'm going to press copy on the cubicle because it's gonna be highlighted. Then it's gonna then go to the video and also get YouTube Studios and go to the video and edit and paste it, then you're done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this kind of different tutorial. Now, if you guys do hear any weird noises, I am outside, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
This video a lot because I spend a lot of time.
But I do have some news. And first of all, subscribe, comment, and leave a big fat like. So yeah. See you guys next time. And also on screen, there was a fake scramble. 4.0.460. Bye.